Everything you need to know about big data. The term big data refers to the data which is nearly impossible to process using a single computer as it is huge in size, generated frequently, and is in many different formats. For example, data generated by Facebook can be termed as big data. Millions of users are chatting and sharing posts on Facebook at any given point of time, which in turn generates data that is huge, which moves quickly from one place to another, posts going viral in seconds, and is of different formats: images, texts, videos. Characteristics of big data. There are 5 basic characteristics of big data. Volume. It refers to vast amount of data being generated every second of every day. Example, data generated by a satellite revolving around the Earth. Velocity. It refers to speed at which new data is generated and the speed at which data moves around. Example, social media posts going viral in seconds. Variety. It refers to different formats of data. Example: email, video, audio, and financial transactions. Variability. It refers to data flows which can be highly inconsistent. More data might flow at one time and less at another. Example: number of tweets increases 100 folds during any important event. Complexity. Data comes from multiple sources, which increases complexities and makes it difficult to link, match, cleanse, and transform. Example: when we want to combine data from Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Types of big data. There are 3 types of big data. Structured data. It refers to any data that is of a certain format or schema. Example: spreadsheet. Unstructured data. It refers to messy data which does not follow a format or schema. Over 90% of all data generated in unstructured. Example: audio, images, video, etc. Semi-structured data. It refers to data which comes between structure and unstructured. It does not reside in a formatted table, but it is somewhat organized and can be easily extracted. Example: HTML, JSON. Sources of big data. There are mainly 3 sources of big data. Human-generated. Data that humans create and share. Example: social media posts, emails, presentations, audio, and video files. Machine-generated. Data generated from machines that doesn't rely on active human intervention. Example: sensors on vehicles, security cameras, satellites. Organization-generated. Data generated as organizations runs their business. Example: records generated when we make purchase at an online or physical store. Big data processing. There are 2 ways to process big data. Batch processing. It is used when we need to process all the data at once or periodically, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Example: monthly mobile bill. Streaming processing. It is used when we need to process data incrementally or when it arrives. Example: heart monitor, fraud detection.